Hello, it's BarrowBoy Woods and at Sandscale Haws at Lousy Point. These are the World War II bunkers, so it's World War II. It belongs to stone and stuff, so we're going to have a look inside. I've done these before, different ones, this is. So this is World War II, still standing. There's another one standing. So we're going to have a look inside. It's concrete. It's quite big, it's concrete in here. So we're just going to have a look round in here. It's quite nice in here, isn't it? So we're just looking in. So World War II, so when they did the army and that, just hid in here with the guns and stuff and just check who's any World War, see if there's any Germans or different things like that. Coming over the sea area. It's beautiful scenery you can see in here. So quite good, quite big. I like these bunkers and box things and that, they're good. It's really good in here. Goes right round in circles. So would have cooked the tea and stuff and just wait around and that, wouldn't they? And then in them days for the Germans or any wars going on. Guess I'm still going round here. There's loads of windows. Made of concrete. Brick in that wall. Stone. Yeah. So we're gonna do a fence now, we're gonna have a look round. So thank you for watching, don't forget to leave this like on this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.